Assalamualaikum to everyone. So now I'm going to present my group assignment of Courseware Development for subject technical support and maintenance for information agencies, IMD222. Okay, so my group would like to conduct the Smart Smoke Detector. Okay, as you can see on the slide. So before that, I would like to introduce my group members that consists of 5 members. Okay, so the first one is Ariff Shah bin Khairuddin. The second one is Muhammad Ikhwan Muzaffar bin Munir. The one, myself, Muhammad Zulkarnain bin Misman. The third one, Nur Balkis Najwa binti Mio Ramdi. And the last one, Nur Shaza Aida binti Azwan Amin. Okay, next we must know what is meant by the smoke detector. Okay, so the smoke detector is a smoke sensation typically as an indicator of fire. Smoke can be detected either optically, photoelectric, or by physical process, ionization. So detectors may use either or both methods. Sensitive alarms can be used to detect dust litter, smoking in areas where there is banned. These two were designed to improve the enhancing of the ability to access via smart home apps that send the IP address directly to the owner of the area where the fire is suspected happened, and also to be connected to fire station access as a sign of emergency. So that's why we call it smart smoke detector. So the objective of this smart smoke detector is designed firstly to identify fires in the early stage and improve accessibility of information to be received, especially to the area of all place owners. Second, to improve smoke detection capabilities to make it more efficient to detect fires through smart home apps. The last one, to allow regular monitoring by using smart home apps. Okay, so now the sketch of this project. Okay, the illustration of the smart smoke detector. So we use three material. Okay, so first is a white metal box for the case of smart smoke detector, then buzzer and also the LED light. So this smart smoke detector the height is 30 millimeters and the width is 95 millimeter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Balkis Najwa binti Minuli and
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ikhwan Muzaffar bin Munir. Today I will present about solution to the problem that have been stated before. Okay, before I start, I would like to list down the component in making smart smoke detector that can alert you when fire happen by using phone. Okay, we have 8 components, that is Arduino, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with adapter, gas sensor, MQ2, green and red LED, buzzer, 220 ohm resistor, connecting wire, and breadboard. Okay, next we move on solution to the problem. Okay, first problem for the solution for first problem. The sensor ESP8222 Wi-Fi module with adapter used to connect smoke detector with internet to automatically send real-time warning to properties owner. Smoke detector relay usable information over the network that can send real-time warning. Alert can be sent to property owner such as phone call, SMS message, or email to the alert smoke detector failure or smoke detection. Okay, next. Okay, for the second solution for the second problem. Okay, the sensor use also ESP8266 Wi-Fi module with adapter to automatically send real-time warning to the emergency service. If the owner left alone, it's hard call emergency service all by themselves. By the smoke detector, the fire have been detected. A mail will send to the security and the nearest fire department. And the third problem and the solution is MQ2 smoke sensor will sense if there is smoke nearby. Then the buzzer will start beeping. The red LED will light up and a warning by will be displayed on a web page which we create using the ESP8222 module. Okay, a smoke detector built with an alarm system provide notice to the building occupant, and the alarm can be reached to the nearby neighbor. By that, neighbor will receive the fire alarm faster so they can evacuate. Okay, next we move on the last solution to the last problem. The MQ2 sensor can detect smoke in early stage to give an alarm, then automatically send real-time warning to property owner. Early detection also play a significant role in protecting the safety of emergency response personnel. Property loss can be reduced and downtime for the operation minimized through early detection because control efforts are staged while the fire is still small. Okay, we move into the how the smoke detector will assemble. First of all, connect the ESP8266 module with the Arduino. To connect the ESP properly, the Arduino use an ESP01 adapter module which will make connector very easy. This adapter module has a built-in 5V to the 3.3V regulator. Connection the ESP01 adapter VCC pin to the 5 pin on the Arduino and the ESP adapter GND to GND on the Arduino. Next, connect the TX pin from adapter to the 2 pin on the Arduino and RX pin from the adapter to the 3 pin on the Arduino. Okay, then connect the MQ2 gas sensor with the Arduino. Connect the VCC and the GND on the gas sensor to the 5V and GND pin on the Arduino. Then connect the A0 pin on the MQ2 gas sensor to the A0 on the Arduino. After that, connect the buzzer and the LED to the Arduino. Connect the positive on the buzzer with pin 10 on the Arduino and the negative on negative on the buzzer with GND on Arduino. Then connect the negative side of the LED to the GND through the 220 ohm resistor with the positive side to 8 pin and 9 on the Arduino. Okay, that's all how to assembly the smoke detector. And next we move on how smoke detector work. Okay, the MQ2 smoke sensor will give an output form of analog voltage. Okay, smoke detector will set condition in the code. If the output value of the sensor greater than 400, then the buzzer will start beep and the LED will light up. And if the output value of the sensor less than 400, then buzzer will remain quiet and the green LED will light up. The ESP used here will create a web page at an IP address and will send the data to this IP address and will print the data here. After uploading the code, the IP address can be seen in the serial monitor. Okay, next we move on the function smoke detector. Connect to the device like phone, tablet or PC. Okay, a warning will be displayed on the web page which will be created using ESP8266 module. This web page will accessible using any connected device. Okay, next direct the emergency service. If the fire have been detected, a mail is sent to the security in the nearest fire department. Okay, third, smoke detector malfunction alert. If the smoke detector is low power, it will notify the owner by the alarm. Okay, a warning to other nearby. Okay, a alarm system provide to notice the owner and the neighbor nearby. Okay, last, detect flammable gases. This smoke detector can detect many small flammable gases like LPG, butane, propane, methane, alcohol, and hydrogen. That's all. Thank you.
So in this part, I'm going to explain the uniqueness of this product. First, it is able to send notification through phone. So basically, our group will create a smart home application that can install from Google Play Store or App Store. So how does this application work? First, after you install, you need to register your email address and your location. After that, you have to verify the code that has been sent to your email. And after that, you have to connect your phone with the Smart Smoke Detector through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. So with this application, it can notify you when the alarm is triggered even if you are away from home. It also notifies you when the battery gets low or if there is a problem with the sensors in the unit. Next, that notification you receive on your phone from Smart Home application will help you determine which alarm has been triggered to identify the problem. Apart from sending the notification from Smart Home application, this product also able to send a message through phone numbers if there is a problem with Wi-Fi connection or signal. So with this way, it can help to save our life and make our life become more easier and also protect us from any danger. This product also called as multifunctional product because it can detect smoke particles, carbon monoxide, and heat. With this multifunctional smoke detector, it can also save a battery life or energy from your house. Another uniqueness of this product is it has automatic emergency services. If you get a text or message as soon as the detector goes off and call the fire department right away, then it is actually a better way because you know for sure someone is on the way. Other than that, it also gives you one less thing to worry about because this smart smoke detector will contact emergency services and they will get there as soon as possible. And also, if you are away from home during the emergency, this guarantees that emergency services will be contacted before a bad incident happens. It is mean that if you are far away from home, or if you don't have much time to arrive at your home on time, these emergency services will be contacted first before something worse happen to your home. So that's all for the product uniqueness.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Ariff Shah bin Khairudin, and this is my slide presentation for Courseware Development project. I will present to you the commercialization potential of Smart Smoke Detector. Okay, firstly, the target audience for this Smart Smoke Detector is aimed and commercialized at household people, in particularly families that are usually out of the house for work or vacation. Thus, it commercialized for the company that hosts important business transactions where they want to keep their belongings from being destroyed by fire disaster. Third, we will commercialize this item by spreading some flyers and posters to some neighborhood, household, and company that are in need of taking care of their property. Besides, we will promote this item in social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. This smart smoke detector is an essential item for household that are in need of taking care of their documents or property from being destroyed by natural disasters such as fire. This device will alert them if smoke is detected in their house or building within a second, and the device will alert the nearest fire department in their neighborhood or in their city. Thus, this smart smoke detector is a new generation of device that can help people or government organization to keep their item or property from being destroyed by fire. Thus, it will save them money, and this item is cheap, and the price is reasonable, for buying. Okay, next, the target audiences for this smart smoke detector. The first target audience is household people, private and government body buildings, and the cost for this material is only total RM30 ringgit. Okay, for the third slide is we promote this smart smoke detector by using WhatsApp and Instagram. Through WhatsApp, as you can see, there is one people they are interested for this item, and secondly, and you can see our official Instagram page. Okay, for the third slide of my presentation is the Smart Smoke Detector Facebook page. As you can see, we already have a Facebook page for our technology device. We hope that from doing this Facebook page, we can attract many people that are interested in keeping their household property in safe. Okay, for the fourth slide of my presentation is the flyers about Smart Smoke Detector. This flyer is about the information you can gain by reading these Smart Smoke Detector flyers. We will spread these flyers to the nearest company and nearest neighborhood that are located in our location building. Lastly, for my presentation is the poster about our Smart Smoke Detector. The poster is contained about our information about what is Smart Smoke Detector, and we will spread this product to the nearest company or private company and government company. Thus, we spread this product to the nearest neighborhood that are located within our building location. We hope this poster is gained by the neighborhood some information about our product. Okay, that's all. Thank you. This is my last slide. Thank you.
Part of conclusion, the conclusion is that this smart smoke detector is designed to enhance information acquisition capabilities with mobile applications that allow the owners of the area or building to monitor and obtain live information in the event of a fire, and this enable action to be taken in advance as well as direct connection to the fire. This tool also allows monitoring to be done from time to time without having to worry about the area where the device is installed. The Smart Smoke Detector also makes the device smarter and has higher commercial value. It is hoped that by designing such a tool, it will be able to prevent the fire that could cause loss.